Welcome to today's discussion on the importance of learning information and communication technology, or ICT. In this rapidly evolving digital age, ICT skills have become indispensable for success in both personal and professional spheres. Over the next 20 minutes, we'll explore why mastering ICT is crucial and how it can shape our future.
The role of ICT in education.
Education is perhaps one of the most significant areas impacted by ICT. Incorporating technology into learning environments enhances access to information, encourages collaboration, and fosters creativity. Interactive educational tools, online courses, and virtual classrooms break down traditional barriers to learning, making education more inclusive and engaging for learners of all ages.
ICT and economic growth.
The adoption of ICT fuels economic growth by driving innovation and productivity. Businesses that leverage technology gain a competitive edge, streamline operations, and reach global markets more efficiently. Moreover, ICT creates new job opportunities and transforms traditional industries, paving the way for sustainable development and prosperity.
Empowering communities.
ICT has the power to empower communities and bridge societal divides. Access to information and communication technologies enables marginalized groups to voice their concerns, access essential services, and participate in decision-making processes. From healthcare to governance, ICT facilitates greater transparency, accountability, and citizen engagement, fostering a more inclusive society.
ICT and Sustainable Development.
In the pursuit of sustainable development, ICT serves as a catalyst for positive change. Smart technologies enable more efficient resource management, reduce environmental impact, and promote sustainable practices across various sectors. By harnessing the power of data analytics and IoT devices, we can address pressing global challenges such as climate change and resource scarcity.
Cultivating ICT Skills.
Now that we understand the significance of ICT, how can we cultivate these essential skills? The journey begins with education and training programs tailored to meet the demands of the digital age. Lifelong learning and continuous skill development are essential to stay abreast of technological advancements and remain competitive in today's job market.
Overcoming challenges.
Despite its transformative potential, ICT also presents challenges such as digital divide, cybersecurity threats, and ethical considerations. Addressing these challenges requires collaboration between governments, businesses, and civil society to ensure equitable access, protect privacy, and promote digital literacy and responsible use of technology.
Conclusion.
In conclusion, information and communication technology is not just a tool. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. By embracing ICT, we can unlock innovation, drive economic growth, and build a more inclusive and sustainable future for all. Let us commit to harnessing the power of technology for the greater good and ensure that no one is left behind in the digital revolution. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the importance of learning information and communication technology. Remember, the journey to digital empowerment begins with a single step, and together we can shape a brighter tomorrow through the transformative power of ICT.